Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Thank you for being with us. Toppings and sauces. Very nice. A combination of a beef patty with mayonnaise and guacamole. In this case, the tomatoes can be replaced with fresh cucumbers. Well, who doesn't know guacamole? It's a cold appetizer, as well as a dip sauce made from pureed avocado with the addition of tomatoes and cilantro. Lime juice and other vegetables and spices. It has the consistency of a thick sauce, kind of like a paste. You can swap regular cheese for blue cheese and pair it with onion jam or cranberry preserves. Pretty much the classic combo. Well, it looks unusual, but I'm sure you're going to absolutely love it. Another hit is the cheese sauce. Heat grated cheese together with cream. At the end, thicken it all up with starch. That's all for today. Stay with us. It's going to be interesting, but most importantly, good for you.